Amazulu FC captain Veli Mothwa has reacted to the decision by Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Bros to snub him from the latest squad. Veli was described as an unsung hero during Bafana Bafana's AFCON in Ivory Coast due to his selflessness and support to his teammates despite not playing a single match. On Monday, Bros announced a 23-man squad for the upcoming FIFA international friendly matches in Algeria. He opted for Kaizer Chiefs keeper Bruce Vilma alongside captain Ronwen Williams and Ricardo Goss from SuperSport United. But Mothwa said that he understands Bros' decision and is hoping to get back into the team soon, and said no, it's okay. As coach Hugo Bros always says, it's all about giving every player in South Africa a chance to play, especially when you are performing well at your club. Recently, if you can check, I have not been playing, so for me it's understandable that I'm not in the squad because I have not been playing this year. It was going to raise questions on why Veli is in the squad because he's not been playing. He just played against SuperSport, then they called him into the national team. So for me, it's a good squad that they chose because the players that are there are the ones that have been playing at the respective clubs. So it's a good opportunity for them, and they will showcase that they always deserve to be in the national team. Most of the time, when you are a player, you need to be motivated, even though there is no one who's motivating you. At the club level, you need to work hard for you to be in the national team. If you are not working hard, no one will want to be working with you in the national team. So motivation is always there. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.